Okay, folks, I'm making gandules and rice again because we love this stuff. And besides, I wanted to use my recaito. So I use 1/4 of it, and I froze the rest because it goes bad if you don't use it right away. So since I had some handy in the refrigerator, I'm using it. And I got here celery. I got like 3 stalks of celery. I have a package of little Smokies sausage. I have a medium-sized onion and 1 shallot. And I'm going to put these garlics, okay? So it's 5 garlics I'm going to put in here because garlic gives it so much flavor. And then I'm going to put sazon Goya in it. Like maybe a teaspoon of sazon Goya will be fine. And some of the anato for color and flavor. And cilantro. I'm going to put like maybe half a cup of cilantro in here. Because I'm going to make 4 cups of rice again. And I'm going to put 3 cups of gandules. 3 cans of gandules. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.